Okay, go. Yay, Will! Let's see if Thomas can do it. Can you roll over, Thomas? Can you? Oh, there comes Will again. Thomas, can you roll over? What, move out of his way a little bit, Will, so he has room. Thomas, can you roll over? You can do it. Yes, you can. You can do it. What's so funny, Will? Do it. Don't help.
What is technique?
Quit staring at your brother, Thomas, and roll over.
Roll over.
You can do it, Thomas.
Papa boy.
He's getting to be a big boy, isn't he? He's growing up, just like Will.
Isn't Will doing the top teeth?
Someday he will.
I want to see your teeth. I'll touch it.
No.
See my teeth.
Pretty.
Do it, Thomas.
Do it, Thomas. Roll over.
Let me roll. Watch it.
Yeah. Watch Will again. There he goes. Good job, Will.
What me do?
Okay. Good job.
What me do? I did it.
Yay. Do it. Do it. Hey, Will, don't play with that.
What is that?
Put it down, please.
What is that, Mommy? What is that?
Do it. Do it. Do it. Thomas. Thomas. Thomas.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Careful with that hammer.
What?
Don't do it too close to Thomas.
Right here? Go.
Thomas.
Go. Go.
Thomas.
Go. 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 Go.
Do it.
I told that. And don't. I don't do.
Oh. Do it, Thomas.
Do it, Thomas. I see Thomas.
Go. 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 Go.
Do push. Do push. Do push. Do push. Do push. Do push.
Gentle.
Good.
Go, Thomas. Don't hit me with that.
I'm watching.
We're all waiting, Thomas. Do it. Go, Thomas. You can do it.
Roll
Roll over. Almost, almost. Keep going, keep going.